Solving and graphing inequalities on number lines. Let's look at some examples of solving inequalities and graphing their solutions. We will find the solution to each inequality below and represent it on a number line. Here we will solve a total of 5 examples from A to E. Example A. 2x plus 5 greater than 11. We subtract 5 from both sides. So 2x plus 5 minus 5 greater than 11 minus 5. When we further simplify this equation, it will be 2x greater than 6. We divide both the side by 2. So 2x divided by 2 greater than 6 divided by 2. When we simplify, it is x greater than 3. Now we will put this inequality on a number line. This is a number line, this is positive 3. Here is the inequality symbol and the circle is open because x is not equal to 3. Example B. 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 11. When we add 4 on both sides, it will be 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 11 plus 4. When we simplify, it will be 3x less than or equal to 15. Now we divide both sides by 3. It will be 3x divided by 3 less than or equal to 15 divided by 3. So it will be x less than or equal to 5. Now we will put this inequality on a number line. This is a number line. This is positive 5. This is the inequality symbol. So x is less than or equal to 5. And this circle is closed because x can be equal to 5. Example C. Negative 2x less than 8. We divide this inequality by 2 on both sides. So it will be negative 2x divided by 2 less than 8 divided by 2. So the inequality becomes negative x less than 4. Now we multiply this inequality on both sides with a negative sign. So this inequality less than will flip to the greater than sign. Whenever we divide or multiply inequalities by a negative number, it will flip to the other one. So the equation will become x greater than negative 4. This is the simplest form. Now we will graph this inequality on a number line. This is a number line. This is negative 4 on a number line. This is the inequality symbol. X is greater than negative 4. We can see on a number line, it may be negative 3, negative 2, 5, 6. This circle is open because x is not equal to negative 4. Example D. 1 less than 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 9. We subtract 3 from all parts. So it will be 1 minus 3 less than 2x plus 3 minus 3 less than or equal to 9 minus 3. When we further simplify, it will be negative 2 less than 2x less than or equal to 6. Now we divide all parts by 2. So it will be negative 2 divided by 2 less than 2x divided by 2 less than or equal to 6 divided by 2. When we further simplify, the simplest inequality will be negative 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Now we will put these values on a number line. This is negative 1 and this is positive 3. This is the symbol that indicates compound inequalities. So here negative 1 is less than x, which means x value is bigger than negative 1. It may be 0, 1, 2. This open circle indicates x is not equal to negative 1, but x is greater than negative 1. Now x is less than or equal to 3. This circle is closed because x value can be equal to 3 or less than 3, meaning it may be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Example E. X divided by 3 plus 4 greater than or equal to 5. When we subtract 4 from both sides, it will be x divided by 3 plus 4 minus 4 greater than or equal to 5 minus 4. So it will be x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 1. We multiply both sides by 3. It will be x divided by 3 multiplied with 3 greater than or equal to 1 multiplied 3. The simplest form will be x greater than or equal to 3. Now we put these values on a number line. This is a number line. This is positive 3. This is the inequality symbol. X is greater than or equal to 3. So it may be 4, 5, 6. This circle is closed because x value can be equal to 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos, like and subscribe.